Hello, hello, how are you? I am back again and I am so excited because I have something incredible to show you. It is the brand new limited edition Glossybox Iconic London and it's mind-blowing. Let's get into it. Also, can I give a quick shout out to my dress? I have had this thing since I was like in my 20s and I just love it so much. I will never part with this dress and I don't actually wear it very often anymore. Anyway, enough about my dress. This is the Glossybox. It is with Iconic London. It is so good. So once in a while, Glossybox team up with an incredible beauty brand to bring us a selection of the highlights of the brand, and they do it at an incredible price. This box is meant to be worth £124. However, they are selling it to us for £35 for subscribers, £45 for non-subscribers, and I have a feeling a lot of you are subscribers, so yeah, £35 for all of this. It's incredible, and yes, it's worth £124. Let me show you everything. I truly cannot get over how good this box is, and the first thing that we get is the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow Mist. This alone is worth £26. This is what the product looks like. You probably know it from Instagram because it's like such a viral product and it just makes you so beautiful, so glowy, so gorgeous. Oh, it's the best. So that is the first item and it's worth £26 alone. And then what next? Next up, we have the Iconic London Triple Threat Mascara, an incredible mascara. It's worth £22 and it is such a good mascara, and again, full size. All of these products are full size. Next up, we have an eyeshadow palette. This is beautiful. Let me show it to you. Look at these colors. They are so beautiful, so lustrous, so gorgeous. There's only 4 shades, but let's be honest, do you need any more? No, this is them. This is the shades you want and need. So that is the next item, and this alone is worth £19. And then we have the Kajal eyeliner, and this is actually double-ended, so you've got a thicker end here for more of a kind of a big smoky look, and then if you like your eyeliner a little bit more like me, then this is perfect eyeliner. But basically you're getting 2 for 1 products, and this is in black. Also, all the products do come boxed. I've just unboxed them for like quickness and ease. Also, did I mention that the eyeliner is worth £20 alone? I don't know if I did. So if I didn't, it's worth £20. And then we have 2 more items, which I'm going to show you together because they're both lip items. We've got a lip liner and a lip mousse. They are in shades Unbothered, love that name, and Undressed. And yeah, they are beautiful shades. This is the lip mousse, so pretty. And then we have the lip liner, which just gives you a really good full pout. Beautiful, look at that shade. It literally goes with any lip color. It's gorgeous. I think my favorite products in the entire box have to be the Prep Set and Glow, and also the eyeliner and the palette. I mean, I love it all. It's just such a good set. It's worth £124. It's being sold for £35 to subscribers, £45 for non-subscribers. It's worth it for both. But I think, to be fair, it is a bit of a no-brainer purchase if you are a subscriber, because Iconic London is such an amazing brand. I love, love, love their stuff. It's so beautiful. It's so timeless. Such good quality. It's just so good. And this is such a treat to get so much of it for such a tiny price. And they're also a brand which I don't think go on sale very often, and they're not in many beauty boxes, so it's hard to get this many products for such an incredible price. I will be wearing this every single day. I love it. It just makes you look so beautiful, so glowy, so healthy and radiant. It is an absolute dream. But yeah, all of these products, £124 normally, £35 for non-subscribers, no, for subscribers, and £45 for non-subscribers. It's so good. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you for watching. It's out now. If you want it, the link is below, and it will sell out really, really, really quickly. So if you want it, please buy it soon. Anyway, thank you for watching. Goodbye.